This is watercolor paper and it's a little thicker. Please on the back write your name and your class code. Then you're going to have a nicer, bigger brush, a little bit of water to share with your shoulder buddy. Practice doing it in the number 8 because that's how you're going to wash your brushes. You might need a mat for this. If you want to, go ahead and get one. I'll have them on the back table. And as you notice, when I start filling this up with water, it starts to curl, and that's normal. And you want it to all be covered in water. Then you're going to use the liquid watercolors you're going to share with the shoulder buddy. And then you're going to hold down very carefully with your fingertips. Choose however you want to paint, it doesn't matter. It's going to start to bleed because this method is called wet on wet. Add water if you need to. Do not add water to these paints though. Remember, they're liquid watercolors. If I bring them together, you're going to start to see where they start to blend, which, like I said, you don't have to paint left to right. Create whatever colors you want, use whatever colors you want, but do fill up the whole thing, please. Thank you. One more thing I want to mention, before you do another color, make sure you clean your brush. If it blends on the paper, that's totally fine, but do not mix these colors. I went back up to the top and I finished it where I had missed some paint. Then remember, wash your brush to number 8. Be careful and aware that you're not splattering the person next to you. Reshape the brush, put the caps back on, and they will go back in the cabinet. And there's a picture here in just a second. There it is, right up above. Put them in the tub that's up above. Make sure the lids are on. Thank you. Artists, this is the drawing rack we're going to use. As you can see, there are 2 sides. There's a left side and a right side. The first class, when we do paintings, I will have 8th grade do a painting and 6th and 7th are not. That way we can share the rack. So right here, this would be for class A on 8th grade, and you've done your watercolor today. And it's curled a little bit, so you're going to very carefully always start on the bottom, slide it in if you need to, very carefully up to that, and just set it there towards the middle. So, and then it should, gently press it down, and then we'll go back to doing the rest of your work. Thank you.